Want to create your own single-page affiliate website and start earning online? No coding? No problem. I built a full affiliate website using AI, GitHub, and Firebase. Here's how you can do it too. In this video, I'll show you how I built a complete affiliate landing page using AI, hosted it on GitHub, and even connected Firebase to store user data. Let's get started. Step 1. What we're building. So first, let me show you what we're going to build. This is a simple, single-page website where you can share your affiliate product. It includes a product image, description, and a call to action button that redirects users to your affiliate link. Clean, simple, and optimized for conversions. Step 2. Generate a website. Using AI to build this website, I used Qwen AI. You can find all the prompts I used in this video in the description, so feel free to check them out. And as you can see, the AI generated the full HTML basic structure for me. This saves a lot of time, especially if you don't want to code everything manually. Qwen also provides instructions on how to use the code. Now copy the code, then create a new text document and name it index.html. Open it in Notepad++, paste the code, save it, and then open the file. Step 3. Editing the code. After generating the code, making some changes to the code based on my needs. Step 4. Add Firebase for user data. I connected Firebase to store user data. For example, you can track clicks, collect emails, or store basic interaction data. First, go to the Firebase website. You can log in using your Google account, then open the Firebase console. Now, create a new Firebase project. I've already created one, so I'll just open it. Next, click on Add App and select the Web App option. After that, go to the Firestore database and create a new database. Choose a location that's closest to your target audience. Once that's done, go to Settings, then open the General section. Copy the Firebase config code and paste it into your HTML file. Replacing the existing section. Then save your file. Finally, go back to Firestore, open the Rules tab, and add the required rules here. Now go to github.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up or simply log in to your existing account. Once you're logged in, click on New Repository. Give your repository a name, anything you like, and then create it. After creating the repository, upload the index.html file that we just made. Then select your file and commit the changes. Next, go to the Settings tab of your repository. Scroll down and find the Pages section. Here, select the branch as Main and then click Save. After a few seconds, your website will be live and a public URL will be generated. You can now open that link and see your website running online. In the next video, I'll show you how to start earning from your website using Adstera ads. I updated the website with my own product details. Make sure your Buy Now or Check Product button contains your affiliate URL. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.